science.
Yay!
Okay, first science experiment is going to be the rainbow volcano or something like that. So we're going to take some vinegar and pour it in the cups.
Oh my God! That's it!
It kind of looks like water.
Yep.
But does it smell like water?
Nope. Alrighty. Then you're going to put your food coloring in. Just a couple drops. Okay, that's good.
Ooh, Asher, what color is that? What color?
Don't.
Good job.
Good job, bud.
Be careful. And then blue. Feet. 1, 2.
Stir it up. Ooh, I like that blue. Pretty. Okay. Now, we're going to do some baking soda in the cups, and it should bubble up and make some foam. So here, let's do, you do the blue one and we'll have Asher do the green one.
What?
Wow.
Do the green one.
Put it in the green one.
No. Wow.
Wow.
Whoa, whoa. Asher can do the red one.
Watch.
All right, Asher, do the red one. Here. Here, there you go.
Whoa, whoa.
Oh, here it comes.
They're mixing.
See, it looks like a rainbow.
Don't.
A mixy rainbow. We gotta catch that before it gets off
I really want to touch it.
Go ahead. Just water and baking soda. Not gonna hurt you.
Wow. Mix.
Wow, Asher. What is that? Okay,
Alrighty. So then we're just gonna take these. Okay, Brie.
BB. Don't fall.
Enough.
Was that fun? Let's see. Oh my
Okay,
gosh.
fingers.
Was that fun?
You're gonna have to wash your fingers before you touch anything.
And mine.
Okay.
Asher, what'd you think? Brie, what'd you think?
Good.
Good? That's it? You liked it?
Right now we're gonna do the floating stick man.
Okay, this is a thing we saw on TikTok where you take a dry erase marker and you draw on a plate.
Sure.
Okay, there's Asher's Stickman. Okay, one more.
Good job.
Brie's Stickman with a balloon. Okay. No coloring. No coloring. It's not going to work if you... As soon as you pour water on it, the guys should come off the plate and float around in the water.
The tag came off.
My guy came off. Let's see.
What? Why is it not moving?
Well, that one didn't work out so hot. My guy lost his head. And he's disappearing in the water.
I'm gonna try again.
All right, let's see if your Stickman floats away with his balloon.
Nope.
Oh,
Kinda.
he did.
He's there.
He's there just in pieces.
So it kind of worked. I guess if we do like a thicker one, then it might work with a different, because this is just a generic dry erase. I don't have a black Expo.
Try again.
Take 3 this time. Now I got a fat marker.
Asher, let's see what's gonna happen.
Nope.
Nothing.
Nope.
Those markers are too good. It just sticks to the plate. Did they use a different plate on TikTok?
They used a white dish plate.
I don't know.
So I guess it kind of worked, kind of didn't work. So we'll give that one a sideways thumb.
Yeah.
All right.
Now we're doing sink or float.
Sink or float?
Okay, so we're gonna drop things in the water and see if they sink or if they float. What's your guess on a penny? You can do a penny.
Sink.
Oh,
Good job. Okay, let's let Asher put one in.
Okay.
Do you think then? So this is a Nerf ball or a Nerf gun.
I think it's gonna float.
Huh? It floated.
Floated.
Okay, now let's do a rock.
I think it's gonna sink. Yep. Shoot.
Okay. Now we got a googly eye.
sink or float?
Sink.
Nope,
Sink down.
it floats. Okay, Asher. What do you think this one's gonna do?
Sink.
Woo! You guys are too fast. You gotta guess and then put it in.
Float. Nope.
Oh!
It sank? So let's see if we got something else in here. Okay, we found a road closed sign. Is it sink or float?
Sink.
It floated. All right, Asher, last one. We're gonna do a sand toy. Is this gonna sink or float?
I think float.
Put it in. Drop
You
it.
gotta drop it.
Drop it in there.
Let's go.
No.
It float.
So, Beebs, why do you think some of them float and some of them sink?
Because some of them are heavy and some of them aren't.
Good job.
Thanks for doing science. Science was the rainbow volcano. Your favorite? Comment down below. Hooray! Rainbow!